What's under the floor, part two. So this is where the old vent was, which obviously whoever back in the day fucking slapped it all over. That's where the smell's coming from. I think the smell's coming from there. Something died. There was a load of fucking nuts and seeds and shit from squirrels or rats. Probably rats. Not squirrels. Squirrels aren't going to be under a fucking slab. Squirrels are up in the house up there somewhere. But nevertheless, so I'm busting all this out anyway, and then I'm going to have a look, see what's down there. Ah! Oh, fucking, there's nothing there. Just joking. Right, yeah.